इस शहर की तासीर ही गुलाबी है, यहाँ की हर सुबह शाम गुलाबी है। वेलकम टू द जर्नी ऑफ पिंक सिटी। Jaipur is entirely surrounded by the Nahargarh Hills in the north and Jhalana in the east, which is a part of the Aravalli Range. सागर लेक एक ऐसी जगह जो मानसून में एकदम खिल जाती है। इट इज अ मैन-मेड लेक built by Raja Savai Jai Singh with the intention of rainwater harvesting. This is one of the best places for sunrise in Jaipur apart from Nahargarh Fort. Although Nahargarh Fort आपको जानने को कभी-कभी नहीं मिल सकता क्योंकि सुबह-सुबह पुलिस ने बैरिकेडिंग कर रखी होती है and it is a hike of at least 20 minutes. सुबह-सुबह जल महल पर वॉक करने की बात ही कुछ निराली है। बट क्या आपको मालूम है that when it was built, Maharaja Madho Singh did not intend to use it as a palace, but it was supposed to be a hunting lodge for the king and his entourage during their duck hunting trips. On the surface, the palace appears to have one floor, but actually there are 4 more submerged levels to the palace as its stone walls hold back millions of liters of water, and the specially designed lime mortar prevents water seepage into the palace, something which it has been doing for more than 250 years. Next up in our Jaipur vlog is Jawahar Circle, which is a prominent tourist spot in Jaipur and is the biggest circular park in Asia. The Jawahar Circle in Jaipur is embedded with number of attractions. 2 most amazing things about Jawahar Circle and the most attractive place is Patrika Gate and Toran Dwar. Toran Dwar is made up of white marble which is widely found in Rajasthan. The gate has taken approximately a year to complete, and the next is Patrika Gate, which serves as the entrance to the Jawahar Circle Park and is one of the photographed spots in India.
Guys, ये है पत्रिका गेट और वो है उधर जवाहर गेट। पता नहीं क्यों बनाया है भाई, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा।
फोटोज के लिए।
फोटोज तो मैंने बना लिया, आपको दिखा भी दिया, अब पता नहीं भाई क्यों, समझ नहीं आ रहा है। ये भाई पीछे देख ले भाई, ये पीछे का
A massive gate famous for its gorgeous architecture. भला इससे सुंदर गेट आपने कहीं पे देखा है? That symbolizes the Rajasthani culture. Next up is City Palace, which is an exquisite Maharaja's palace. I wandered around the complex amazed that each section seemed even more impressive than the last. Built in the 18th century for the Maharaja of Jaipur, the palace is still a royal residence today. After exploring the heritage City Palace, we went towards the Nahargarh Fort, which sits proudly on a ridge of the Aravalli Hills. It was constructed during the reign of Jai Singh in 1734 and was later expanded in 1868. Nahargarh, which means abode of tigers, was a formidable barrier defending Jaipur against attacking enemies. Built by Savai Madho Singh, the palace has 12 matching boudoirs for the queens, at the head of which is a suite for the king. They are all connected by corridors decorated with delicate murals. Even today, the palace is a favored spot for local picnickers. And one more thing about Nahargarh Fort is that you can have the best sunset point in Jaipur. अगर आपको जयपुर देखना है पूरा का पूरा easily, trust me, this is the spot. You have to visit Padao restaurant, which is at the top of the Nahargarh Fort. Some of you may not be aware that several scenes from the movie Rang De Basanti. Next up is Gatore Ki Chhatriyan, which is a spectacular work of architecture. The purpose of this place extends beyond mere architectural splendor. They were built to honor the deceased Rajas and Maharajas who were cremated with regal dignity. This place was built to memorize the death of all the Rajas and Maharajas, and the rulers of Jaipur have done a marvelous work with their architecture.
गाइस ये क्या है? गेटरों की छतरियाँ, पता नहीं क्या है, आई डोंट नो। जयपुर में बेवजह करके नाम के मोन्यूमेंट्स बना दिए, समझ आता नहीं क्या है क्या नहीं है। कहाँ है? यही तो नहीं आ रहे राजा महाराज हमारे मेमोरी कहा था, मेमोरी गाइस पता नहीं क्या है यार, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा।
Next up in our Jaipur's itinerary is Amer Fort, which was built by Raja Mansingh I in the year 1592. Amer Fort is one of the oldest fort in Jaipur और इसकी कुछ बात ही निराली है। अगर आप एक फोटोग्राफर हैं, इन्फ्लुएंसर हैं, वीडियोग्राफर हैं, सिनेमेटोग्राफर हैं, then trust me, this place Amer Fort has the best aesthetic shots in whole Jaipur.
यार अमेर फोर्ट तो बहुत बड़ा है, खत्म नहीं हो रहा। ये कहाँ गए? खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा, बस चले ही जा रहा है, चले ही जा रहा है। कहाँ गए हम?
Jaigarh Fort is another marvelous place in Jaipur. Jagar Fort overlooks and is connected by underground tunnels to Amber Fort. Anyways, the most amazing place we have been was Rambagh Palace in Jaipur. This is the best place to experience royalty in its own. Built in 1835, Rambagh Palace, Jaipur gracefully retains its elaborate splendor. From the Maharaja's residence to an authentic palace, this palace hotel in Jaipur upholds its ceremonial grandeur for all guests. Among its many renowned restaurants is Savarna Mahal, housed in the 18th century styled palace ballroom, offering royal Indian delicacies. Additional guests and can enjoy iconic experiences at the Polo Bar and Rajput Room, offering multi-cuisine delicacies. Thank you, and this was all from our Jaipur trip. I will see you in another vlog. Thank you.